Hi, I'm Jenn Anderson, and I am a doctoral candidate here at Michigan State University in the Department of Communication. I chose the Ph.D. program at Michigan State because it is the top-ranked health communication program in the country, and also because there were so many excellent faculty to work with, so I knew that there would be a lot of opportunities to do really meaningful research. So the paper that we did on communicating about body size, we looked at how people describe different women's bodies, and we also did a follow-up study on that about how people described men's bodies. And we were interested in this because there's a lot of concern right now about the obesity epidemic. And so a lot of people are interested in how large bodies are derogated, how people are negatively describing large bodies, and we wanted to know if that was the case, that only large bodies are stigmatized, or if this is something that's happening across the body size spectrum. So our inclination was that it doesn't matter whether you have a body that's too large or too small, too masculine, too feminine, anything that's not within the normative ideal for a body. We thought that's probably going to be stigmatized, and that was true. And so what we are hoping to do with this data is essentially, number one, shine a light on this idea that it's not just large bodies that are stigmatized, it's any body that doesn't fit the normative ideal. And we hope that that'll do a couple of things. One, give us some sense that we need to be finding more positive ways to talk about our bodies across the spectrum. One of the things that we saw in this study was that it was hard for people to find positive or even neutral ways to describe any body that wasn't perfect. So that's a problem. We also are hoping to have health communication researchers be more aware of the ways that we sometimes equate size with health. So the health communication goals from this are, one, to target a larger audience so that everyone receives information about how to be healthy, and two, to make sure that our messages don't equate body size with health. Well, one of the things that I'm really proud of with the research that I've been able to do with our research team is that with Dr. Maria Lipinski and some partners from New Mexico State University, Kansas State University, the National Sanitation Foundation, and RTI International, through a grant with the USDA, we looked at hand hygiene in child care centers, and one of the things that we were able to do with that I think is positively impacting the community is that we were able to develop a curriculum for teaching children about hand hygiene. And so this curriculum has books, it has songs, it has activities, and now it's freely available online. So any child care center can access that and use that 5-day curriculum to improve hand washing in child care centers, which of course we know decreases the spread of disease. I would say MSU is really important to me because the communication program has really shaped how I understand research and teaching in the discipline. It's given me the tools that I need to be successful in this field. I would also say that the certification in college teaching at MSU was really impactful for me. It taught me about general ideas of higher education as well as giving me practical skills. And the other thing I would say is that MSU as a university is really important to me because it's a land-grant university, and so there's a commitment to being connected to the community and serving the community through research, so kind of giving back, and that's really important to me as well.